Oh, can you get it?
So let me try, right?
Hey, beauty.
Shit, man. Oh well.
Can you get that strawberry?
Can't be that hard.
Oh, you got it.
I think that was part of it.
Very good, Aria. Whoops.
It just took you a half hour.
What you doing, Pumpkin?
Hey, hey.
There she is. We're good.
She doesn't like sitting like that.
She
Yes,
does.
she does.
No, she doesn't.
Oh, you got the strawberry back. And drop it.
Hey, Pam, where's our, and when do you put those away? You never go. Stays out all the time. Man, this thing smells like onion. Oh, holy crap.
Whoa.